How do I remove packages installed with Python's easy_install? Python's easy_install makes installing new packages extremely convenient. However, as far as I can tell, it doesn't implement the other common features of a dependency manager, listing and removing installed packages. What is the best way of finding out what's installed, and what is the preferred way of removing installed packages? Are there any files that need to be updated if I remove packages manually, e.g. by rm? 6/dist packages /my_installed_package.egg or similar.
Pip, an alternative to setuptools easy_install, provides an uninstall command. Install pip according to the installation instructions. Then you can use pip uninstall to remove packages installed with easy_install.
To uninstall an .egg, you need to rmrf the egg, it might be a directory, and remove the matching line from site packages /easyinstall.pth.
First you have to run this command. It removes all dependencies of the package. Then remove egg file of that package.
All the info is in the other answers, but none summarizes both your requests or seem to make things needlessly complex. For your removal needs use. Install using easy_install pip. For your list installed packages needs either use or, which can output more package details. Install via easy_install yoke or pip install yoke.
There are several sources on the net suggesting a hack by reinstalling the package with the M option and then just removing the .egg file in lib/ and the binaries in bin/. Also, discussion about this setuptools issue can be found on the Python bug tracker as setuptools issue 21. Edit added the link to the Python bug tracker.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.